Okay, even though this is marked as number 1, I think it would be best if you focused on getting number 2 and number 3 up first. Since this is basically like the same idea as what's going on from number 2 and number 3 compared to, I can't remember what, I think it was like number 7 from last time. But basically, you got your 8th notes, and then you do the same thing, but with 16th notes. And since the turnaround is the sticking point, that's why we're focused on that. So once you get numbers 2, number 3 into the 16th note realm, we'll then start working on getting this whole thing also up into the 16th note realm. So after you get number 2 and number 3 up to the 240 or beyond, and you can start doing the 16th notes, do the same thing for this. Get number 1 up to 240 or beyond, and then you go back to working on number 7 from last time. And so when I say to at least 240, what I mean is, let's say when you're doing your practice session and you hit 240, see if you can go faster, because you might as well just keep going until you can't go anymore. You just milk it for all it's worth. So you don't want to just stop at 240 and then go to the 16th notes. Go as far as you can with it, and then start the 16th notes the next day. Yeah, so let's see. Give a comparison to these. We'll do the 8th note versus the 16th, so you hear the difference here. So you definitely know how it sounds at 60. So 120 with the 8th notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 240 with that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is going to be the 16th note equivalent of the 120. I'm going to go to 60, which is going to be, I'm going to do 16th note to 60. And it's basically going to be like the same thing here. So 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's like the same notes per second there. 16th notes at 120 is the same notes per second as 8th notes at 240. You may have already known that. Okay, so it's like the same thing here. I'll do the 8th notes at 120 and then 240, and then demonstrate the same thing with 16s at 60 and 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 60 for the 16s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah, and then when you get that last line of the chord stuff, go ahead and send a photo like you usually do. And yeah, let me know if any questions come up. I'll see you next week.